Melinin. I'm talking melanin. I want that chocolate fix like I'm snacking on some M&Ms. I like the way you curve, like your body's from the ancients. Put my fingers through your hair, shake your curves, cause you amazing, you a black queen. Cause I see you chase your dreams. They try to hold you down, but his hands about your means. Like the
Hey you guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we have something a little different, okay? One of my subscribers hit me up on Instagram and she said, can you try the Mo Knows hair care line or whatever? And I'm just like, I'm sorry, who? I know, I feel bad. I feel like everybody knows who Mo is. I think her name's Monique, or I don't remember. Monica, oops, sorry. Her name is Monica. She's a licensed cosmetologist, brand stylist, and product innovator. She's way more poppin' than I am, so I kind of feel guilty not knowing who she is. But that just shows you I'll be doing my research. But then I started seeing the hair care line pop up in like my suggested videos. You know, once somebody says something, it starts showing up on your Instagram feed and your Facebook feed. Like the FBI is doing their job. Y'all are doing your job. I went out and I got a few things. I am kind of tired of trying new products every week. I know, as you guys can see, I did not try the Pattern Beauty, because first of all, who's paying $25 per product? Hello? Hello? Yeah, I wasn't about to do that. Now this one here was about $10.99 per product, you know. So anyways, the products that I got the Curl Co-Wash and Conditioner, I got the Curl Setting Gel, the Curl Primer, I got the Curl Smoothing Pudding, and I got the Curl Restoring Treatment. Now, they didn't have an actual like shampoo, so I'm gonna use their Curl Co-Wash Conditioner. I'm just going to rinse my hair out really quick and take a shower, and then I'm gonna come back and use all the products on camera. I know y'all hear my niece crying. Alright y'all, I'm back. So I took a shower and I just rinsed out my hair. So we are going in with the Mo Knows Hair Curl Co-Wash Conditioner. I have not opened or smelled or felt the texture of any of these products yet, so we are gonna find out together. So let me come close so y'all can see. Oh. So this is what it looked like. It smells good. Hey. Like a Febreze commercial. That smells good. It's kind of thick. It's definitely not the texture of a shampoo. It feels like a lotion, honestly. This really feels like lotion. It doesn't really feel as thick as a conditioner and not as thin as a shampoo, but you know, we're gonna do what it says. So it's all throughout my hair, and actually I can feel, like, you know when there's shampoo in your hair and you like touch your hair and you can like hear the suds or like hear the bubbles? I can hear them in here. I can tell there's definitely some type of cleansing agent in here somewhere, so I'm really not mad at that. It says to let it sit in your hair for 2 to 3 minutes, so I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit and then I'm gonna rinse it out and come back and let y'all see my hair is looking like, and I'll tell you what it's feeling like. But right now I'm not really mad at how it feels right now and what it smells like too, because it smells good. All right, so I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so I rinsed out the co-wash, and quick yes and no question, did it do what it came here to do? Yes, it did. My hair feels fine. I mean, you know, like I said, nothing miraculous, but it did what it was supposed to do. It's just a co-wash. But I will say, for some reason, my scalp feels real warm. It feels like things is growing on my scalp and it's not hair, you know what I'm saying? And I don't think it has anything to do with the product. I feel like my scalp feels like, hey sis, I need shampoo, it needs to be washed and cleansed, and I was just like, no ma'am, conditioner. But that's beside the point, because this is not a shampoo, it's a co-wash. So co-wash, I'll give it an 8. Have I used a co-wash that's better than this? Yes, I have. Okay, but hey, so now we're gonna go on into the the Curl Restoring Treatment. What does it do? Okay, so wash with Curl Hydrator shampoo. What the heck? They have a shampoo? How did I miss that? Okay, so this line has a shampoo. Completely missed it. I didn't see it at my Sally Beauty, but anyways. Okay, so everything smells the same, but the longer that it stayed in my hair, the more it's kind of starting to feel like, oh, it smells kind of funky. So it's like a cream color. Thickness. Oh, she thick. Okay, thickums. That's that Dr. Miami thick right there. Oh, sis. Hello? What's going on here? Oh yeah, this is a thick one. All right, so we're gonna start with a little section in the back here. All right, so I'm just gonna use a little bit. All right, and let's see. This is sliding on like butter. Okay, this is exciting my spirits. I feel filled. Okay, she done did something with this little hair treatment, huh? This feels nice. She did it with this little deep conditioner here. This hair treatment, battery finna die, so we just gotta, you know, short clips, okay? Short clips, I'ma charge it. So I'm just gonna let it sit for like half an hour. But so far I'm pretty impressed with how it feels on my hair. But the true test is what my hair feels like when I wash it out. I'm gonna just act like all this noise ain't happening in the background right now. So you guys already know I'm gonna get my hot head cap and just warm it up and sit for a little while. And then we really gonna get into it. I'll be back in like 30-40 minutes, but for y'all it's gonna be in 2 seconds, like in the very next clip. All right, y'all. I don't know if you can tell, but the lighting has changed. It's now pretty much nighttime. I don't know why my 30 minutes always turns into 3 hours, but you know what? It's okay. We're not gonna talk about it. So anyway, we're gonna move on to the curl primer. Now, when I picked up this, I was like, what is a curl primer? Girl, it's a leave-in conditioner. Why don't you just say that? We're just gonna spray it in our hair, or I'm gonna spray it in my hair. And so this is yeah, okay. All right, cool. So, y'all know me, I always say this. I like thick leave-in conditioners. Like, I want my leave-in conditioner to be like a cream. I'm not a huge fan of spray leave-in conditioners because I just don't feel like it's doing anything. Is it in? Is it penetrating? Is it doing its thing? Let me rub it in or something. Yeah, no, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. We're gonna move on. So the last 2 products that I have are the curl setting gel and the curl smoothing pudding. Woo! Dang, this is so thick. It is not moving. It looks like Elmer's glue in this thing. It says it hydrates with a medium hold. Okay, so I'm gonna actually put the curl setting gel on top of it. Oh shoot, okay. That is not as thick as I thought it was gonna be. Yo, this curl pudding is thick. But okay, we got that on. And then we're gonna go over it with the curl setting gel. Gosh, this curl setting gel is so loose. Yikes, I'm so scared. I'm scared about this. It does, like, the hold is feeling funny. And there's no way I was gonna do a wash and go. Look, I'm not trying to talk about nobody with this business like that. I'm not. That's one thing, like, I always don't want to give a honest review. And I may be a little bit biased because if it was from some company and I had no idea who their creator was or whatever. And I don't know who this creator is either, but for some reason I you know, like, I have a soft spot for her because obviously she's a black woman, but you know, like, I don't know if she's a YouTuber or like who she is really, but I just feel like, you know, I don't want to knock somebody's hustle. I really don't. But at the same time, I gotta keep it real, you know what I'm saying? So I am hoping for the best, but at this point right now, compared to the other products that I would normally use, I'm just gonna say at this point, I'm very nervous. I'm very, very nervous. Y'all, I don't know. Okay, so I'm just gonna go on about my braids and see what we can do. Because hope is not gone. It may be lost, but it ain't gone. It's out there somewhere, and we can find it. Okay, so we're just gonna keep going. All right, now that I got my little yachty braids in, you know, I am not sure how this is gonna go. I'm not even gonna lie to you. The holds on this curl smoothing pudding, not my fave, not my fave. But we're gonna let the results speak for itself. I'll be back in the morning to take my braids down and see if it's a hit or a miss. All right, you guys, so I'm back. It's actually 2 days later and my hair is obviously completely dry. So one thing I do wanna say, girl, one thing I do want to say, I want to give them a little bit of credit because as the day went on, my hair started to get pretty hard. I could start to see that there was some type of hold because I know before I was saying like the hold was not feeling very, very holdy, you know? I am intrigued to see what that hold finna be like.
What that hold do?
You know what I'm saying? And we're about to go in and see. Can y'all see? Do y'all see what I see? Is this not, ooh. Ew, this is nice. I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, this is, so far so good. So I'm just gonna go out and take out the rest of these, and then we will see how well it's shining when I'm done. All right, so this is it, y'all. My hair is it is done and it looks good, if I do say so myself. Can I say that? Yes, I can. So yeah, here it is. Here we go. I just blew it out a little bit to give it some stretch. And what more can I say? So, quick breakdown. I can definitely do without the coconut curl, what is this? The Curl Co-Wash and Conditioner. I can do without that. Sorry, I can. I feel like I rated it earlier, but whatever. I'll just give it a 7. The Curl Primer, I can definitely do without that. No need. The Curl Restoring Treatment. This one was a goodie. But I also feel like I've tried another deep conditioner that I really liked. That was maybe $2 cheaper. If we're keeping it 100, you know what I'm saying? So the thing with the curl pudding and like the curl gel that they have, they work well together because it gave me a really good braid out. I don't know how it would go for a wash and go. I don't think that this curl pudding or the curl gel is strong enough for a wash and go for my type of hair, for my type 4 hair. But them together gave me a good wash and go, but I also feel like them together gave me a good braid out, but I also feel like I could have gotten this same great braid out, which I've gotten this same great braid out with one product, which is my 24 karat gold gel or whatever from the Main Choice, instead of buying two $11 products, which is $22, and just using my one product for what, like $13 or something. So, long story short, I think she did a good job. Like I said, I'm not here to knock nobody's hustle, but as for me and my house, okay, as for me and my house, we cool off that. We all right, but don't get me wrong, these are good products. I just hate sounding like I'm knocking somebody's hustle because I know that these people work really hard on their products, and it's great to see more Black women creating their own business and things like that. But what type of person would I be if I didn't keep it 100? You know what I'm saying? But that's just for my type of hair. Like, that's just my head. And it's just the way that I use the products. They could work completely different on your own. They're pretty affordable. They're like $11 per product. Some natural hair products are cheaper and they work just as well. So, hey, you asked for it, I gave it to you. But doesn't that look good though? I mean, hello? But anyways, that is all that I have for you guys for right now. Love you guys so much. See you in my next video. Bye.
Failure ain't an option.